Hello, I'm SK Roy here. I stay in Mumbai, but I like to share my experience, the way I did my entire interiors for my 3 BHK flat, which I have purchased in Calcutta, that is in Siddha Eden Lake Village, Bonhugli, North Kolkata. Because I am not the regular resident of Kolkata, so when I purchased, then I was in dilemma how to do the interiors. Then naturally, I have gone through different sites, different interior vendors like Godrej, like Livspace, like Homeland, and as good as like Kolkata Interiors. Then I came to the conclusion that I will go for Kolkata Interiors. Why? That is the reason. Others are also no work. They are very good, but they are too expensive. But when I had a talk with Mr. Mulik from Kolkata Interiors, he was ready to execute the job as per my requirements, and he has suggested also some of the important things, and budget was around 10 lakhs. Everything I talked from Mumbai.
Location. This living room interior design was created in Siddha Eden Lakeville, a residential complex in Kolkata. Designer. The interior design was created by Kolkata Interior designers based in Kolkata. Style. The living room interior design is modern and minimalist, with a focus on clean lines and functionality. Color scheme. The color scheme of the living room is primarily white and beige, with accents of wooden and mahogany. Furniture. The furniture in the living room is sleek and contemporary, with a mix of upholstered and wooden pieces, including LCD unit, shoe cabinet, L-shaped sofa set, 4-seater dining table, wall-hanging crockery unit. Accessories. The living room is accessorized with modern art wallpaper work, wall paneling, decorative throw pillows, and a statement area rug. Lighting. The living room features a combination of natural and artificial lighting, including false ceiling panel lights and cabinet lamps, false ceiling jolly lights. Space utilization. The living room is designed to maximize space utilization while maintaining a sense of openness and flow. Overall, this living room interior design is a perfect example of modern elegance and sophistication. Kolkata Interior. Kolkata is known for its art, culture, and history. It has a rich tradition of interior design that combines classic and modern styles. The living room is the heart of any home, so we all should beautify the living room. It is the place where family and friends gather, relax, and socialize. Our best designer created a well-designed living room can create a cozy and welcoming environment that reflects your personal style. To design a good living room interior, a good living room designer in Kolkata should be creative, knowledgeable about the latest trends, and able to work within your budget. They should also be able to incorporate your ideas and preferences while balancing form and function. Services offered by living room designers. Living room designers in Kolkata offer a range of services, including conceptualization, space planning, color palettes, furniture selection, lighting, and accessories. They can also assist with the procurement and installation of materials and furnishings. Benefits of hiring a living room designer. A living friends any kind of problem regarding your living room interior designing and complete decoration service you can share to our designers. Our designers provide best living room interior designing, home decoration services in Kolkata Howrah West Bengal. Friends, this is common bathroom with simple design above grid false ceiling, upper mirror cabinet, shower, wall and floor tiles, laminate design behind door and outside. The modular kitchen cabinets shown in the video have been designed with a red and white color scheme. These kitchen designs are available at Kolkata Interior Designers' affordable price. Kolkata Interior specializes in interior design services in Kolkata Howrah West Bengal area. The design have been customized according to the specific requirements and budget of the customer, highlighting the flexibility of modular kitchens. Modular kitchens are an increasingly popular choice for modern homes due to their space-saving nature and easy customization options. These designs showcase how modular kitchens can be tailored to individual tastes and preferences. If you are in Kolkata and looking for innovative kitchen design ideas, Kolkata Interior Designers can be a great resource to explore. Kolkata Interior Designer offers the best modular kitchen cabinets for customers' requirements. The kitchen interior designing services are well-rounded and aim to provide complete decoration services to clients. The prices offered by our interior designer are affordable, making the services accessible to clients with varying budgets. The services are available in Kolkata, Howrah, and West Bengal.
Then once I went there, he visited to my flat. He has taken all technical dimensions and everything. Then he assured me, sir, as per your requirement, we like to give you the entire interiors within 3 months. And I emphasized that actually the quality I should not compromise. No sir, it was a guaranteed. Very good. I came back to Mumbai. Then every 15 to 16 days, we had some Zoom meeting about how the things were going on, what are the material you are using. Sometimes he was asking me my options also from multiple quality. So this way he was doing and I was paying regularly. He was completely trustworthy. Within 3 months, he has completed the job. The way I wanted, he did fantastic. Because I never present there in Kolkata. On behalf of me, he took the responsibility and he carried out the job.
Kolkata interior designers designed this master bedroom according to the specific requirements of the customer, S.K. Roy. This suggests that the interior design plan was tailored specifically to meet the needs of the customer, ensuring a personalized and unique experience. The design was also created within the customer's budget, indicating that Kolkata interior designers have taken into account their customers' financial constraints and have worked to create a cost-effective design plan that still meets their requirements. The fact that the customer's name is mentioned in the statement indicates that Kolkata interior designers place a great deal of value on their relationship with their clients. Connecting with clients on a personal level allows for better communication and ultimately more satisfying results. The focus on the master bedroom suggests that Kolkata interior designers paid attention to the specific needs of the customer regarding this space, creating an interior that promotes comfort and relaxation. Overall, the statement highlights the customer-focused approach of Kolkata interior designers, emphasizing their ability to provide customized interior design solutions that suit friends. Best home interior designing services at low costs is specifically targeted in Kolkata customers. The service is being offered exclusively to the people who know the designers and have a relationship with them. This platform and can be easily. The home interior designing services being offered are being done so by our professional designers. That the services are of high quality and can be trusted to deliver the desired results. The services being offered are being done so at a low cost that the friends can get affordable home decoration and interior design services without having to break the bank. Our designers are offering complete decoration ideas that the friends can get a full range of home decoration and interior design services without having to worry about. The interior designers in Kolkata designed a Pooja room according to the requirements and budget set by the client, S.K. Roy. The design of this Pooja room was customized to meet the specific needs and preferences of the client. Our designers used their creativity and expertise to select the appropriate materials, colors, and decor elements: wardrobe, Pooja unit, false ceiling lighting to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. The final interior decoration was delivered to the client with utmost professionalism and attention to detail, ensuring that their expectations were met and exceeded. Pooja room interior design refers to the design of a sacred space within a home that is dedicated to worship and prayer. Kolkata interior designers. The individuals are a team of professional designers responsible for creating the Pooja room interior design mentioned in this statement. Customer S.K. Roy requirements: specific requests and preferences for the design of their Pooja room, such as the desired size, layout, colors, and materials. The 1.5 lakh budget amount of money set aside by the customer for the project, which the Kolkata interior designers had to work within while creating the final design. Overall, this statement highlights the collaborative effort between the Kolkata interior designers and their customer, S.K. Roy, to create a customized and budget-friendly Pooja room interior design that meets the customer's requirements. The successful execution of the project reflects the designer's ability to balance the practical constraints, such as the budget, with the customer's vision for. The guest bedroom interior was designed by Kolkata interior designers. The design was created according to the specific requirements of the customer named S.K. Roy. The budget of S.K. Roy was also taken into consideration during the designing process. The end result was a guest bedroom that meets S.K. Roy's requirements while staying within their budget. In summary, Kolkata interior designers were able to achieve a successful guest bedroom interior design that met both the specific needs of their customer S.K. Roy and their budget. This highlights the importance of understanding client needs and limitations while still being able to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. Kolkata Interior Designer suggests that is offering assistance in finding an interior designer, decoration service for homes at low cost. They provide a WhatsApp number of a designer who supposedly can provide the best ideas for interior designing. The message implies that believes the service our designers are offering is a good value for the price and will save the potential customer money. Kolkata Interior is in the business of providing the best offers to Kolkata customers by testing the experience of their designers in the right way and creating the best interior designing services result. Our interior designers service you can initially finalize with our designers through WhatsApp, and after checking everything you can take the service at your home or our office in Kolkata. In conclusion, the message promotes an interior design service available at a low cost through a designer's WhatsApp number, but important details such as the location and the sender's experience with the Kolkata Interior Designing Service are clear. Contact Kolkata Interior Designers through our customers who have already availed their services can help in making an informed decision. Friends can provide valuable feedback, reviews and share their experience to ensure our designer meets the client's expectations. In conclusion, Kolkata Interior Designers can offer best interior designing solutions at low costs.